US President Donald Trump has named a Muslim American, Munsif Muhammad Salohi, to head a fast-track program called Operation Warp Speed for finding a vaccine for COVID-19. MashaAllah.
And today we're proud to announce the addition of two of the most highly respected, skilled professionals in our country, worldwide respected. Operation Warp Speed's chief scientist will be Dr. Munsif Salohi, a world-renowned immunologist who helped create 14 new vaccines. That's a lot of our new vaccines in 10 years during his time in the private sector. One of the most respected men in the world in the production and really on the formulation of vaccines.
President Trump said that Moroccan-American immunologist was one of the most respected men in the world in the production and really on the formulation of vaccines. Born in 1959 in Agadir, Morocco, Dr. Salohi headed GlaxoSmithKline's vaccines department and worked for the company for 30 years and oversaw vaccine development for 80 years. His sister died at a young age from whooping cough and immunisable disease. Her tragic death triggered his interest in immunology and led him to a career that would place him at the helm of the development of vital vaccines. He's been a venture capitalist since leaving GlaxoSmithKline in 2017, according to the New York Times. He has a doctorate in molecular biology and immunology and studied at Harvard Medical School as well as Tufts University School of Medicine in Boston. He has published more than 100 scientific papers and is a member of the International AIDS Vaccine Initiative's Board of Directors. Munsif Salohi has resigned from Moderna's board upon appointment to observe White House's Operation Warp Speed initiative. The move comes as the President and White House aides hope to produce vaccines for the coronavirus faster than what many scientists believe is realistic. The administration is aiming to have 300 million doses to distribute to Americans by the end of the year, believing a reliable vaccine is the only way to promote an economic rebound. The COVID-19 vaccine development team is working on Operation Warp Speed with the objective of making 100 million doses of a COVID-19 vaccine available by November, 200 million doses by December, and 300 million doses by January 2021. The Trump team promises COVID-19 vaccine by the end of 2020. Dr. Salohi has said that developing and mass-producing a successful vaccine by 2021 is a credible objective, but that it will be difficult according to the Times.
Thank you, Mr. President. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great honor and privilege for me to have the opportunity to serve our country and the world in this remarkable endeavor, extraordinary endeavor, helping them and supporting them do it. The Operation Warp Speed's objectives are very clear. The President has described them, and I believe they are very credible. I also believe they are extremely challenging. However, I am really confident that our team across the many governmental agencies that are involved in these efforts, the NIH, the CDC, the FDA, ASPR, and of course with the support of the Army and our partners in the private sector, will be able and will do the utmost to deliver these objectives. In fact, Mr. President, I have very recently seen early data from a clinical trial with a coronavirus vaccine, and these data made me feel even more confident that we will be able to deliver a few 100 million doses of vaccine by the end of 2020. And we will do the best we can to do that. Thank you.
Addressing access questions that have swelled in recent days, Trump said he will work with international partners if another country develops a vaccine first, and that the US would like